Okay. Okay, okay, Imanto, A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So mga pagariami, our brothers, sisters, and all the good people of Lanao, peace be with you all and good evening. With us today is our beloved General Eduardo Engking, my co-chairperson in the task force representing DILG and the PNP. On my left side is newly promoted General Glenn Macasero, formerly Colonel Brigadier Commander of Lanao del Sur. And he is also representing his Principal Secretary, Gasmin Boltier, of the Ministry of Defense, National Defense. And also with us is our beloved Mayor, and around us are all our personnel from the Lasurico. Adil is here, Engineer Axi is here, and then Engineer Junaid is here, and then Engineer Manabilang is here, and all of us, of course, my friend here, Colonel Manabilang is also with the group of our beloved General, Glenn Macasero. Now comes the time for the launching of the official lighting of the municipality of Bacolod, Calauig. And with this, we are very happy to tell the whole people of Lanao that this is a very good development in relation to the project being undertaken and entrusted to the task force by the Interagency Committee chaired by no less than the Executive Secretary of President Noynoy Aquino, our beloved President. And now, we will now begin the countdown. Okay, and okay, and we will be counting up to what? 10 to 1. And then beginning from 10, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum, comes the beginning of the countdown for the lighting of Bacolod, Calauig. Now we begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, before we, I would like to request my co-chairperson to say something.
Yes.
Now, first, General Eduardo Engking of the PNP. Yes, please.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, kay Mayor at sa taong bayan ng ating bayan ng Bacolod, Salawit. Sa ngalan po ng aming Secretary sa DILG at sa aming Chief ng PNP, kami po ay nandito nakikiisa sa ating Task Force Lasureco kasama ng ating Chairperson, si Chairman Mapandi, para mapagawa ng paraan na mapabilis natin ang ating mga proyekto sa pagpailaw ng buong Lanao. At ito nga, katunayan ngayon, naibalik natin ang ilaw dito sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon at sa inyong Pangulo Mayor.
Allahu Akbar! That was General, Co-Star General Eduardo Engking of the PNP representing the beloved Secretary DILG, Amar Rojas. Now, let us hear a word from the newly promoted General Glenn Macasero of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, representing Secretary Gasmin Boltier. General.
Good evening sa lahat ng taga Lanao del Sur. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Congratulations sa Bacolod, Calauig, nagkailaw na sila. Susunod na yung iba, malapit na. Saka malapit na rin matupad yung aming misyon na magkaroon ng individual meters yung lahat ng household dito sa Lanao del Sur. Ito yung simula at tuloy-tuloy ito. Sana matapos natin ito bago mag-start yung election period by October this year. Target namin before end of September. So, sana magtulungan lang tayo, tuloy-tuloy lang na magtulungan tayo. So, congratulations sa
Congratulations! Palapakan natin. Message from Mayor. Mayor. Okay, si Mayor.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Una po kay Asik Secretary kay Asik Papandi, kay General Ingking, kay General Makasero ng Philippine Army. Una po, congratulations po sa inyong lahat dahil para naging successful po ang pagpapailaw dito sa bayan ng Bacolod, Calawi. Ang Bacolod, Calawi po ay may almost a year na siguro isang taon na wala pa pong ilaw. Ngayon lang po nagkailaw ngayong gabi. So sa ngalan po ng mga mamamayan ng Bacolod, Calawi, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa task force dahil ito po ay nabuo. Dahil kung hindi po ito nabuo itong task force, hindi po magkakailaw ang Bacolod, Calawi. Muli po, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Can I hear a word from Adil? Adil, yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Iman to nagkasaksian nyo, habang sa Misaranaw, ang kaya at kaya pakalait, at Bacolod, Calawi, unan sa kanag kaya pag-cooperita, ang task force Lasurico, kaya Elenio Siransaya, agugyo nga pakatatayan tano, a very active mayor, Mokmok di Patuan, sa kataiman to, inshallah, na pangintagid ni ipunan, agugid ni Midadayon, ang mapipiyag na ginawa, ang mga kalulutan tano si sa Bacolod Grande, pag-isang si Kauyagan, agu, lalayon, sa kapipiyag ginawa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Akyat tayo. Akyat.
Assalamualaikum to our chief of the task force Lasurico, Sir Asik Papandi, to our supported person, Sir Brigadier General Makasero, to our supported person, General Ingking, to our noble mayor, Mayor Abdul Muhammad Luqman Batuan, to our chief of police, to Ma'am Adelaida Ditubalan, good evening, Assalamualaikum, to the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of this municipality, to the chairman of this municipality, of the different barangay, to the members of the Lasurico team, to the AFP, to the PNP, again, good evening, Assalamualaikum. As the custom and tradition of this municipality in accordance with Islam, in every program of this municipality, there will be an invitation. May I call for our esteemed senior member, Ustaz Akasa Aliyu, for the invocation. Please rise for the invocation. Assistant National Manager, Sulaiman your linguistic sir. Ito na po na kayo, sir. Okay. To start with, can I call on our municipal administrator, Abdullah Alaya, for his opening remarks and welcome address of this program, sir.
Thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our private managers of the Lazareco, in the persons of three national personalities of the country, Assistant Secretary Mapandi, General Macero Sir, General Ege Sir, Ma'am Anaida Subala, our very old municipal mayor, Jan Hansa Benami, acting. The Honorable Mayor Abdul Harman Jukman Lakman, our people boys, members of the Central Environment of Pablo Calabi, 26 Barangay Chairman of Pablo Calabi, datos, ulamas, baris, men in uniform who are here with us this evening, last officials, co-members and government, good evening to everyone. First of all, welcome to Pablo Calabi. Indeed, the restoration of the city of Marijuana in London is most especially here in Pablo Calabi, from the Nazarene. We do hope that it will serve as a parameter to move forward and to continue building a better tomorrow of Pablo Calabi and East and Pampa. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, for the opening remarks and for the welcome address. So, at this juncture, we are going to hear the most significant and original features of this affair, the messages of our chief and to our culture persons. Sir Asik
Thank you so much, but I will ask my co-chairperson to speak first before I speak with short message to you. And let us begin with General Green.
Kami sa atas sa salata ng chairman si Nasik Pandu, ang chairman si Yanti, of course, ang ating boss, ang ating katuan, ang girls, yung sinupulis natin, yung ating mga members ng ating bayan, yung ating members ng mga ating mga barangay captains dito, lahat ng taga-Pagawang Kalawin, lahat ng mga dito kasama ko si Pedro Navila, lahat ng mga empleyado ng Lazareco, dito sila nasa Lucia, si Engineer Lau, Engineer Manila, at yung iba pa member ng sekretariat ng Task Force Lazareco. Actually, natutuwa ako na nakikita ko na kayo pag magkakatuloy ito ng time. Nandito, para ilaw na natutuwa pa kayo? May ilaw na kayo? Mukhang hindi, manutuwa. Natutuwa kami kasi umatong na yung ilaw dito. Actually, ginawa ng paraan ng ating chairman niya, Mapande, kasama yung ating mga engineers ng Lazareco para magkailaw yung Bacolod Calawi habang inaayos pa yung mga ibang engineers. At hopefully, ayos natin lahat ng linya, lahat ng area na franchise area ng Lasureko ay mailawan sa darating na bago matapos itong taon na ito. So, para sa kalaman nyo, dumaging na may porto kasi inallocate yung ating national government para ibili ng mga individual meters at 30 meters na service drop wire para sa individual household na mag-a-apply na magiging member consumer ng Lasureko. So, yun yung gagawin pa natin. Sa ngayon, mapakyawan na tayo. Pero dati yung in the immediate future, pag pumating na yung mga iwan meter, kakapitan na natin lahat ng household. Kung ano yung konsumo ninyo, makikita natin sa meter, yun na yung babayaran natin. Gaya ng ibang area in other parts of the country. Saan may kilowatt meter yung bawat consumer at binabayaran nila yung kanilang consumption. So, ito yung nakikitang paraan ng ating national leadership, ng ating national government para mag-normalize yung ating operation ng Lasureko para eventually hindi tayo makukulan dahil may problema na tayo sa bayarin dun sa NGCP at saka sa visa. Anyway, ito yung mandato na ibinigay sa amin sa task force. Kami din ay nanalangin ng isigaw na sana magawa namin itong mandato na ito bago matapos yung taon ito. Hopefully before the start of the election by October. Kasi this October, mag-register na yung mga national candidates natin. So, tuloy-tuloy na natin yung pagtutulungan. Ang request ko sana, wala nang poste na puputulin, wala nang kable na puputulin, wala nang poste na tutubahin, gaya ng nakaraan. Kung galit tayo sa Lasureko, ito tumba. Kasi ang problema natin ngayon nga, dahil sa nangyari na gano'n, nahirapan tayo. Kung magkasamahan tayo ng loob sa dating nakaraan, sana kung galawin ng mga ipinundan na poste at saka kuryente. Hayaan nyo lang kung nag-away, yung tao mag-away, pabayaan na yung mga gamit. Kasi dating ang panahon nakakailanganin natin, mahirapan tayo, gaya ng nangyayari ngayon. Malaking pondo ang ginamit ng national government para ipasok itong metering project at ma-rehabilitate yung mga linya. At yung Lasureko ay nagsisikap din. Kahit sa konting kinikita nito, nag-allocate ng pera para yung ibang hindi napuntuhan ng national government ay mapuntuhan ng Lasureko para magkailaw. At para magawa namin yung aming misyon. Kailangan namin ng tulong ninyo. Sana tulungan nyo kami. Sana pag naikabit na yung meter, huwag na nating sirain. At sana kung nag-apply tayo na maging member consumer, magbayad tayo na on time. Kasi pag natapos yung metering, i-determine natin kung sino yung mga members yung standing, ibig sabihin yung nagbabayad. Kasi sila yung buboto ng ating bagong mga members ng board hopefully by September or almost before end of September. Yung hindi nagbabayad, hindi makakaboto. At yung mga members in good standing, sila din yung pwedeng tumakbo as members of the board. At yung members of the board na maboto ng magiging chairman, sila din yung mag-interview kung sino yung bubunin na manager sa darating na parang. So, ang Lasureko ay magiging tunay na sa inyo pag-aari na cooperative siya na may-ari ng mga tao. Kaya mahalin natin ito, mahalin natin lahat ng mga poste, kuryente, metro na ating kinakamit ng Lasureko kasi atin lahat ito at para sa inyo lang ito. Walang ibang gagamit nito kundi kayo rin. Hindi hindi kami na uuwi kami sa Cebu. Kasi hindi naman ako taga nito. So kayo ang gagamit ito. So kayo ang dapat mag-alaga. At kung may mawawala ito, kayo ang mawawala, hindi kami. So, yun ang tandaan ninyo. So, alisin na natin yung nakaraan. Magsimula tayo ng bago. At tuloy-tuloy natin ayusin yung ating lugar, lalong-lalo na yung kuryente natin para tayo ay tuloy-tuloy natin ilaw. And hopefully, tumulong din kayo sa upcoming mga activities patungkol sa Bangsamoro, kung saan papasok ng ating national government yung normalization program para ma-implement yung comprehensive agreement ng Bangsamoro. So, tuloy-tuloy natin patulungan. Hindi ko na makapain. Maraming salamat. Sana. Pero tuwa-tuwa ba kayo kung nandiyan tayo? Maraming salamat.
Assalamualaikum sa ating lahat. Sa buhay tayong lahat. Masaya ako papunta dito. Habang papunta ako, tinext ko yung misis ko. Nasa Cebu ko yung misis ko. Tinext ko, sabi ko, masaya ako. Then pupunta kami sa bayan ng Kalawi. At meron kaming mahalagang celebration na gagawin. So, akala niya fiesta. Kasi sa amin, ang uso yung fiesta. Sabi niya, ano makasaya? May fiesta. Hindi, mas masaya pa sa fiesta. Kasi sa loob ng isang taon, dito sa ating bayan, wala tayong ilaw. At kanina, nakita natin, ang countdown, nagkailaw na ulit. So, mabuhay tayo na. Ating pag-pati sa ating host, ating meron si Mayor Patuan, of course, ang mga kasama namin sa task force na nasabi na kanina ni General Macero, si Chairman Pandi, General Macero. Isa sa mga susi sa ating pag-uusap dito sa ngalan ng aming task force, sa aming head ng secretary sa task force, si Madam Adela Dalagalan. Nandito yung chief ng ating police. Tuwang-tuwa ako, masaya kaya naisip ko, ano ba yung sasabihin ko sa kanila? Kanina nasabi na sa ating kasama ang tungkol sa mga plano-plano na magkakaroon pa ng ilaw, hindi lang sa ating bayan dito, kundi sa ibang lugar dito sa Lanao na franchise area ng ating plant ng Lasoreco. Kanina, kumakain kami ng tanghalian, nag-uusap kami ni Chairman, ibang kasama namin, sabi namin, alam niyo, siguro, kasi yung misis ko nagtatanong sa akin, kailan ba ako pwedeng sumama dyan sa lakad mo? Kasi palagi na ako dito sa Lasoreco, Malawi. Sabi ko, sa kana, tsatsika ka lang. Sabi ko, maghintay ka. So, kanina, nag-usap kami sa kainan, sabi ko, in 5 years time, babalik kami dito. Hindi lang ako mag-isa, kasama na yung pamilya ko kasi magiging turista na kami sa Bangsamoro. Napakaganda na panawin natin. Una-una, nabighani ako dito sa ating lake. Kitang-kita doon sa pwesto ng Lasoreco, nakikita natin. 5 years siguro, baka lesser pa, pag natuloy na itong Bangsamoro entity natin, yung sarili natin, motor dito, I'm sure, kailangan nyo na rito dumagsa yung ating, hindi lang itong mga local na tulad namin, pati nating mga foreign tourists. Marami kayong beauty dito. But isa sa step na napunta tayo doon, una, kailan muna. Di ba? Kasi marami tayong magawa kung meron na tayong kuryente. So, ito na, nagkatotoo na, meron na tayong kuryente. So, I'm sure mapapabilis ng ating development at matutupad na yung mga pangarap namin babalik dito, kasama yung mga anak namin, mga asawa namin. Hindi, isa lang. Siyempre, marami sinama ko sila. So, asawa namin sa mga anak, makapasyal dito bilang turista. Ayos na natin. So, ako po'y nakikisa sa inyong saya ngayon. Kanina, nakakasigaw ko, 10, 9, hanggang sa 1. Tamang-tama, sabi ko, ilaw kaya ito. Tayo na. Pag 1, umilaw, mabuhay tayo na.
First of all, I want to recognize thank to my co-workers here. Without the support, we would not have been able to achieve such successes as we have today. And we hope that with the support, we will be able to conclude with full success the task that is given to the task force to report Lasorio and the installed leaders to every household and family, conduct the election of the regional boards and constitute the general manager. We are here, our beloved very Lord, and I think that they, yes, with the general. Kasi nakukondition ng kung minsan natawag ko ng hindi, general na wala, of course, general rin mo kasi. Palakpakan natin. His support, manifested in the steps of all his forces everywhere and every time the requirement is available. And then we have here our very own general meeting of the PDP, likewise, consistently his forces, police forces, has always been with us, and every time the needs arise, they are always there to and then they also recognize, of course, we have a very good view here. My first comment when I saw him was, you are so very young. Baka masama kayo ng dalawa. And then, of course, Martin is here, and our chief of police, and all our police officers that are in the process, and of course, my dear friend here, Colonel Mavila, who is also leading the group of our General Secretary. To all of you, all the embassy president, history member, all of you here, I will appreciate generally my respect and my salutation to everyone, and of course, to my colleague in the Lasorio. We have here Engineer Mabula. Can you write down the recognition, Engineer? Yeah. And then we have Engineer Lao. Where is Engineer? Okay. Without the support, we would not be able to accomplish this. Of course, Engineer RC, yes. And we have here also the Assistant General Manager. He has always been humble and he prepared to hire himself. But it is my wish that he will be recognized also. Our Commissioner, General Commissioner, Sulaiman Modias. Of course, I can see our president there also. Likewise, they are also component of all these organizations who work for the realization of this noble cause. We have started there. Yes, and better for all these things. Yes. And all of you advise them, all the Lasorio personnel, please, for okay, so these are our partners. These are our partners helping the task force to realize the very task that is being assigned to us. Now with that, let me sing to you Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is only just a part of the many programs and activities that are to be undertaken by the task force. Inshallah, our mission is to install mentors all over the branch and the household. And it is expected that, as mentioned by General Macasero, we are projecting that by September 20, we will have have been able to complete our task. But let me remind you that it is conditional. Because, you know, the timeline of the task force was originally set to end by the end of December. Later on, we have extended by the end of January 31. So, we are very close to January 31, and if that will be the case, then it will be our celebration to good people of the land. But this will depend upon the interagency committee of the AP task force. If they will extend our term, then we will proceed with that. Otherwise, we will make the decision that we will recall to our individual station. I have an office in the Department of Energy in Manila. They are equally busy. These two generals, you know. They have their own respective responsibilities and very busy also. And with that also, it is added to their task that they are also a part of the normalization between the government and the MILF. And so sometimes, not only here in Mindanao, but in Manila and outside the country. Sometimes in Singapore. So that is how the two generals have been trying to manage their time. There's a video. You know, we are supposed to have several meetings already, but it is only now that we have convened as a full task force for this month, January. And we hope we could address all the problems. But as mentioned by General Green here, and I believe General Green, this is just the basic part. The bottom line is, in order to sustain our life, not only now, but hopefully continuously, we have an ailing Laswalco. An ailing Laswalco because we have a community debt of 8,500,000,000 pesos. This is our total. Okay? And then, to compare it with other cooperative like Abra incurred 16 million debt. And then they were about to be cut off. Their land was about to be cut off. And the vice governor, the governor, and the brigade commander there in Abra, including the mayor of the town of Abra, made representation to the secretary. Now, what was the condition that they could be given life? They paid 116 billion, trying to pay of that. Only 16 billion compared to our debt. 8 billion, 500 billion, yet we still have life. With that, it is because of the grace of Allah that He made it possible through our President and His ministers that Lanao should have like even with the debt, the highest debt in all the 190 properties throughout the country. We have it all. And the bottom line is, if we want life, continuous life, we have to pay it. Because there is no other country in this world, all provinces, where the cooperative were able to survive without the payment. Let me cite another example. In Albania, they incurred a debt of more than 3 billion, and yet they still have life, and with the intervention of the local leaders, it didn't help. They still have the life has to be cut. The only remedy was help the certificate to purchase Binilila and Albara and Ablico, electric cooperative. It was only the that means that nakailaw sila. Hindi
na semi-government, private already. Dito naman sa Lasurico, ang direction natin ay to first be bankrupt, file the bankruptcy. With that, mawawala na yung 8.5 billion na utang natin. Kasi sino naman ang pangilan ng bankrupt na? With that declaration of bankruptcy, maabulis na ang Lasurico. Ano ang mangyari? Lahat ng assets niya, mga posting niya, wire niya, everything, it will be auctioned. It will be sold. Or it will be offered to pay the million, and then sino ang magbili doon, sila ang magmalit. But the big question is, sino naman ang bibili ng Lasurico na alam nila na hindi makakabayad? Alam mo yun? 33 million ang binibili natin na corrective every month sa NPC Isama. Okay? Ang nababayaran lang natin is 500,000 every month. So, just simple that. Wala talaga. Kaya lumalaki ang utang natin. Doon naman sa NGCP, yung may-ari ng wire na doon pinapadala ang corrective natin ay 30 million every month. Magkano ang binibigay natin? Only 500,000. Ang ibig sabihin ko, 2 million, 500,000 every month na dadagdag sa utang natin. On top of that, when Sultan Satulaya assumed as manager, the debt of Lasurico when NPC was 2.7 billion. The interest rate is 64% and above every year. Okay, NGCP, its accumulated debt was 620 million. Over the years from 2007 to 2014, NPC debt has accumulated to 7.6 billion. NGCP debt has reached 1.7 billion. That is why earlier we have been seeing that Baba magagawa ang terminal dito, let's say assuming by the end of 2050, baka mag-18 billion na utang natin. There is no way na makabayan tayo. Kaya the last chance given, this is my own understanding, the last chance given to the good people who are now is the task force. Task force is being sent here with the mandate to reform and to work on for the installation of letters and then consequently the conduct of election of the board of directors and the general organization. It was declared by the secretary that Lasurico belongs to the one, except the people of the land. But it has never been given to the hands of the people of the land. Because in the past, it was always an appointment in the world that come here to manage Lasurico. According to the Global Secretary criteria, it is high time that we give the management to the people of the land. And this is only possible after the installation of the household meters 4,000, and then we will be able to establish the standing or insurance of good standing. That means that the fee is not delinquent. Then only then, after the elections of the board of the general manager, that we will be able to give it back to the people of the land. Consequently, every year there will be a general assembly and then election of the board will be conducted and then again an election of the general manager. After the completion of this process, only then the process is strengthened saying that the Lasurico belongs to Ghana will be completed. So that on every year, it is the goal is to be good. If you think that the manager of this year is not good, you change it next year. And the sentence is under process. Okay, so this is our task. One thing also I want to see here is that I will encouraging all the people, all the good people of Calauwi, or all the people to nurture, to adapt a culture of civic, the so-called energy efficiency and conservation. We have observed, all of you and I know that it has been our firmly established culture that even at daytime, our lives are still full. So we have to establish because the total ocean line is recalled to the number of all other appliances that you are using and how long will you use it. If you are using it even daytime, then you are using too much. So it will be unfortunate that individual mental others should nurture the culture of discipline. Let me tell you, my house, my heritage is more part of Manila. It was not actually I have never placed to accept this in public because I have been with government more than 10 years. I have been saying that it was a grace from Allah that I was placed in a position when there is no resources that I may be tempted to misuse. Now I have already posted in Las Vegas and I believe there is money that I can utilize which I want to do. So this is a very hard place to be. So with that, I have urged everybody to please work on yourself. Have a culture of discipline. Daytime, simple, the light. Nighttime, okay, switch on the light. Number 2, pay your bill. Because if Lasorico or Taskforce will not be able to reform Lasorico and then after our turn, when they are reformed, the scenario is like this. The president will just give back the prerogative to NPC and in HSC. If that will happen, the direction is for NPC to cut off completely HSC will cut off completely. HSC has always been enduring and also NPC of so it is our fault. It depends upon us. This is in consonant with the injunction of Allah that whatever you have done, whatever you earn is for you. If you earn good, it is for you. If you earn bad or problem, that is your earning and is also for you. With that, my brother, I will be back with the international meeting for Muslims. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay,
noble man of this municipality, our leader, a leader who is always of service, and may I call on Mayor Abdul Muhammad Mokmok Kitatwan. Kaya po, sa oras ko yun, hindi na po kami nagpumili na makailaw ang pagmumularan. Kaya hindi din naman po namin kaya gawin na basta makailaw ka naman sa pagmumularan. Ang gusto ko naman, buong dalagang gusto ko walang ilaw. Kaya po, mga po ito yung mga nagkakaroon ng mahal na polo. Kasi na dito, maging police na Maroas, PNG, si Buntin, si Tutay Piliya, nabuto ang asal sa Solego, namumulo ang Asip Mabandi, o General, ang General ni Marcelo, si Sinabigi. Ngayon po, nagkaroon po ang ilaw ng pagkakalawin dahil po sa task force sa Solego. Tama po ang naging desisyon ng mga natin kasi nagkakilaw. Kaya po, lalo po ng mga mamay ng pagkakalawin ay nagpapasalamat sa kanya. Lalo na po sa iyo dahil po hindi po sa Solego, mananaw, hindi na po kakailaw ang pagkakalawin. Kaya ngayon po, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Ito po yung po ang kayo po sa sarili, ito po ay makasisay po sa aming mga tagapagkakalawin dahil uminaw na kami at wala po nangyari dito na sa buong Nazareno. Kami po, andiyan po dito po ang kalawin. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa iyo at kaya natin po ang Bacolod Kalawin po ay susuporta sa lahat ng programa ng task force sa Solego sa aming mga mamaya at buo po ang tapos nais ko muna magpasalamat sa mga nakanda ng membership ng lahat ng consumers ng Bacolod Kalawin. Ang po, natapos na nila sa patulungan. Ngayon sir, asal na sa rin, pwede tayong kapag-alilaw in 1 week time. Hindi po ako naniwala sa kanila na mag-alilaw ko rin ng 1 week time. Natin po, ayun po si Engineer Lao, siya po ang sabi sa akin. Maraming salamat kay Engineer Maria.
Isama po ang pangalan niya ay nagpapakul siya sa bukid ng Lalawigan. Yan po yung pagpapakul niyo sa kay Kasi Papani, sa ating dalawang general, sa dalawang bakasero, sa ating dalawang king. Muli po, kami po ay nagpapakinawan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Mabang sa misi sagyang kaya kulilingan na isa tanong miya saksi sagyang kaya kaya pa kalay tagyang kaya mga bang sa tanong si sagyang kaya bakulod kalawi mabang sa mi gyang kaya katap kilay ni wagyang kaya madakla taw si sagyang kaya bakulod kalawi nap kilay tanong atongan na siya na mabubaya si sagyang kaya paganay programa agyang kaya lasuriko si sagyang kaya pakalaita sagyang kaya bakulod kalawi katagyang partner akan si Sergio.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah sulutan penelamatan tanu swalla kay man to nagasaksiyan tanu ang gaya akya pakalay tangaya bakulod kalawi sisiya penang uta task force chairman si Asik Mapandi uta si General Makasero Glenn Makasero o si General Eduardo Engking. Alhamdulillah iman to alungan January 15 2015 na ayakya exactly 6 o'clock mga lok sa mga pagarami nakiawit ni Santano akya pakalait ang gaya bakulod kalawi isa kong mga inged tano sa ato na yung mabdaro ka zulutan alhamdulillah di ang ki-express so kapipya ginawa sa apkili tano sa mga pagaritano kaya pakapya ginawa sa kaya pakalaitiran ni man to gagawi.
Mga bangsami, matan ko mapiagyang kaya miya kalabi sa ragun, agyang kaya kapaparnga, alay tagyang kaya bakulod kalawi. Agyang kaya surong nami agyang uta municipal mayor, si sagyang kaya bakulod kalawi. Kan makabigay sa message, sagyang kaya kulilingaranaw, si sagyang kaya pakasindo, agyang kaya ngitano. Mga bangsami katiyagyang kaya municipal mayor si sagyang bakulod kalawi na isa panalamat tano si Kuala agyang kaya pakasindo maliwanag si sagyang kaya ngitino sa bakulod kalawi kata Sergio.
Alhamdulillah panalamat tano ko lang kaya maganda no sa opportunity sa kaya ka pag-interview tano kay mayor na ayon yan mo muga pakabigay sa message sa kaya programa tano Power to the People Mayor.
Alhamdulillah. Pagkanaroon na tungan na malabi pinalamat kami yan kaya langawan na mapiataw bubalik sa yan kaya bakulod kalawi na di may kilipatan naging kaya manan yan na nakiya pakakasoy gin kaya sindo maliwanag si sagin kay ingdiu bakulod kalawi mala atongan din mi palalamat yang ko to si Asik Mapandi si General Makasero si General Engking languan tutaningan sagin kay Lasuriko penalamat kami kadulangon suway manan yan na miyak kang galabak sa gayang kaya mga linya mi miyak kapito egoe agayang kaya kayang galabak kaya noon kataya iman to kaya saksya ni walang na mapiataw si sa gayang kaya ranaw suway manan yan na sindo maliwanag na miyak kakaso si sa gayang kaya isa ang diyo bakulod kalawi pangaling tanong si Kuala kadnang tanong isa aging kaya siya pa ka light aging kaya isa ingdiw nagiid ni mabaloy punan ayaman na niyan na naging kaya languan na munisipyo isa aging kaya ranaw na mamakalit siya mamu uway suway man na niyan na miya nga ipo sa depang sisinabutai na mga Muslim tano langon tano ay manan yan na mapaparateya si ko walaw taala na di tano to di paradelayan ay gito na sa siya tumokit ko kabubaloy tano wa manusia lalan tano ay manan yan na kalipat mga luksa na mga pagreakan na gyud kay lasuri ko na amay ko paguntol na ya na ayakil ko nasaktan walang wan abubali nga maranaw si saging kay patapang pangaranaw dito yung sabab saktan walang na obligasyon tano agyang ko to kasya pa tano si saging kay lasuri ko kasaktan no eman na yan na di si di makaguna oay o di tano eman na yan na panagunti pa na da ataw ay manan yan na pinagunti pon. Ay sa bupen nasa katano kirak sagi kay lasuri ko. Langulang wan tano. Di matero ay manan yan nambaranaw. Bobaling. Kumakad si sagi kay manan yan. Magingot si sagi kay manan yan na patapungan sa ranaw. Na langon tano si manan yan na maapod si sagi kay lasuri ko. Dito ay manan yan na kepatot. Nagukyawadib. Uman ito tangi siya. Rakatano na masyapian aging kay alasuri ko. Alhamdulillah imanto na aging kaya isa ingriu. Apo kulod kalawi na miyaka light kami imanto. Miyaka kasur kami so emanan yan na sindo maliwanag dito no di kwanteron na di kanu kawan agu di kanu pangandam alangwan na bang sami sisa aging kay emanan yan na patapungan pungaranaw. Agi nga iya kaya pakalay, tagi nga iya isa ang diyo. Nagi na emanan niya na po nabud na Kalangon, agi nga emanan niya na mga ingat siya agi nga patapungan pangaranaw. Probinsya Lanao del Sur, na obgan walaw taala, na dito na kay mamatay, mamatay. O di emanan niya na makalait, agi nga iya langwan na magingat siya agi nga iya probinsya Lanao del Sur. Biarkan peratas naging kaya kapkuin ganurakan. So panalamatami. Alangwan na mananian na magingat isagin kaya dua kambaw walo apo. So kapagulo nero no ay mananian na sulutan sa Bacolod Grande. Lagid mambu o dua ka lamas isagin kaya mananian na Kalawi. So kapagulo nero no sulutan sa Kalawi. Uway. Biyan kaya mananian na isa ka munisipyo. Bacolod Kalawi. Lango-lango no emanan yan na mapiata wa bubalingon. Panalamatan namin sa kanulango ng mga loks pagadami, mga bubayami, mga inamis isagin kay lasuri ko. Sa ayamanan yan na miya kaokit ko pamikiran niyo. Kaya pakalaitan niyo kami. Giyagin kay ayamanan yan na miya kuwan nilo na balas. Na mambugi niyo isagin kay dunia. Na ayamalan na sisa alungan na mori. Salam lakas kanu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salamat, Mayor.
Mga bang sa sagyang kaya kulilingaran na umiyan nagtanong agyang ko tuwa kapapantagan ang municipal mayor si sagyang kaya Kalawi Bacolod na agyang ko tuwa message yan sagyang kaya mga tao si sagyang kaya na agyang kaya pakalaitian kati agyang kapartner na si Joe.
Alhamdulillah sulutan, malok sa mga pagarami. Yan nagtanong, ang uta message ang uta pakatatayan tanong mayor si sa Bacolod Kalawi, si Mayor Mohamed Di Batuan. Sa sang bumuso at tayo, si Johari dito kalan ayo, silam na anskano, paninta mabipiyagin na tanong langon, pang ninta langon makalay, tako lilingaraw. Sa inikapya-piyagin na ni matusulutan ang kaya pakalay tangay Bacolod Kalawi. Silam guskano, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mapiar kano aksan kagagawi mga pagarami.
Mga bangsami, giyay so pagarin wa solta nakabugatan sa Masyo, Subayar Ismail Saronay. Panalamatan na miyagyang kaya kulilingaran na agugyang ko tuwa former assemblywoman Samira Guto ko agugyang kaya mababali ulo na misisagyang task force lasuri ko aradia muda sa pawak agyang ko tuwa agugyang ko ta dua ka General Inking agu si General Makasero gyang kay so programa tanong power to the people.